Welcome back. You can see behind me here a bunch of turnips that David planted. He plowed up the area and he planted these turnips. They look great, don't they? They look like what you would expect to see in David the Good's garden, right? No, these are obviously very subpar turnips. Now, turnips in this area grow generally like weeds. Like somebody said, turnips, you can just open up your back door and throw seeds out there and you're gonna get turnips. Well, I mean, obviously we do have turnips, but these are not healthy turnips. These do not look good. These look like subpar food. These look like they're not really going to provide you with much nutrition because they are lacking in nutrition. And that is because this area of our garden here, of our yard here, has probably the worst soil of all the whole yard. It is really bad soil. But you know, we kind of plant, oh, well, we've got a little space here, we've got a little space there. We plant wherever, right? We're using our space as wisely as we can. This area has very bad soil, very, very bad soil. David has put triple 13 down here, and you know, that's what a lot of people do, right? That's a standard chemical fertilizer people put down. It is obviously not working. We know we need more life in the soil here to grow some healthy food. So you can see here we have this huge pile of sticks. The power company came down our street with these huge trucks cutting down tree limbs, and David had them load them up. They were loading them up anyway. David had them drop them here on our property, and we are gonna burn them and spread the ashes and the biochar throughout this whole area. Now, a lot of people are really familiar with the concept of slash and burn and how that's evil and wrong and bad and no one should ever do it. Well, we are not cutting down what was here, burning it to the ground and growing in the soil and depleting it over time. We are taking in what would have gone to a landfill and not have benefited anybody. We're bringing it here and we are going to burn it, and we are not going to burn it necessarily all completely to ashes. Where some of it will go to ashes, which are beneficial, but some of it also will, we will put the fire out before it's gone completely to ash and create biochar, till all of that in this really lousy soil, and we are going to improve the health of the soil. Can you see how bad this soil is? It's not even soil. The weeds don't even want to grow out here. I can't tell you the last time we mowed. And the weeds, they're not growing. Nothing's growing. It's bad dirt. And so obviously the universal solution to everything is to light it on fire. So the company said they could drop 6 to 8 more piles this size in this area for us. So we will, when we get them all, we will light them on fire and till in the ash and the biochar into the whole area. And we have great hopes that this area in the spring will give us fantastic spring gardens. So stay tuned and you can come along with us for the ride. Lighting a huge fire is certainly more awesome than buying triple 13. Catch y'all next time when hopefully we will have a new baby. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.